All right. Hello, glazing professionals and those new to the glazing industry. My name's Chris, and I'll be walking you through some of the courses GIT has to offer while providing a sneak peek of the course material. But before we begin, I want to talk a little bit about our target audience for this training material. We designed these courses as a springboard for project management new hires. So this material should make you conversational on the included topics and allow you to solidify your foundation for growth in the glazing field. All that being said, we've had quite a number of professionals with a wide array of backgrounds take our course as either a refresher or to push their experience into glass and glazing. But okay, time to take a quick peek into a couple of GIT courses. There's currently 10 core GIT courses, and each month we'll be releasing a new course to the lineup. So once you pay for your course, you log in, you'll see all of your courses here. Currently, when you pay for GIT, you get the whole lineup. This is basically the same view you'll see when you're perusing the site. Something you might want to take a look at is click on what will I learn for each one. I think we did a pretty good job of letting you guys understand and know what you should expect out of each course when you go through it. Like I said, this part's accessible if you're not logged in. What I'm about to show you, though, is what you would have once you pay for the course and you get everything set up. You'll see what I'm seeing. So I just wanted to dive in quickly and show you what we've got here. The first course we're going to take a look at is Glazing 101. Right out of the gate, you'll notice we provide a glossary of terms. I'm going to click Take the Course. So we're definitely going to take a high-level look at all of the subjects within the glazing field without going into too much detail. We'll be taking deeper dives later in this 101 course. But let me flip through a couple of the lessons to give you a feel for some of the content. Feel free to pause this video at any time to read through the material and just get a better idea of what we'll be going over. So let's just dive in here into the introduction. Obviously on the greens, once you've taken the course, it keeps track of where you're at. So we jump in here. We've got an introduction to glazing courses. A lot of the material is set up this way where it's kind of like slides. It tells you what's involved. Some of them will have some sort of video. Almost all of them will have some sort of image or maybe a diagram or a shop drawing that we reference. Over on the right, like I said, you're going to notice the glazing glossary. So make sure you read through that, and then the course navigation. And you can page through, jump to the end, come back to the front, or jump to individual lessons. But as you go through, you're going to basically mark as complete. And as you can see, I've already completed this, so there's not much to see there. But like I said, it's a very high level at this point. And you'll be able to tell that each one of these is basically a topic for one of our other courses. Let's jump to the end here. So what you're going to see here, when you get to certain points in each of the courses, we're going to have either knowledge checks or larger quizzes. Obviously, you've seen this one. I've already taken it, but let me jump into the quiz, and I can kind of give you an example of what type of questions we might take. So we'll go here. We'll start the quiz. Basically, jump in here, mark your answer, flip through. Compile your results. 2 out of 4, not bad for not even reading it. But you can come back, you can look and see, what the correct answers were. And then that's basically Glazing Systems 101. So let me jump over to a different course, let's talk about something that gets a little more in depth. Let's talk about ordering project materials, stock lengths. Let's jump in here, click take the course. Again, we give you a little bit of an overview of what you're going to learn right at the beginning. Let's jump into a couple pages from now, beyond where I've taken. So you're going to see this course is much more in depth. We have 8 pages of content. And okay, this looks like a good spot right here. Identifying required parts for a takeoff. So we're going to basically jump into here. We're going to show you, basically, we'll give you the correct page in the Tube Light price book, and then we'll give you the reference image that goes along with each lesson. So we show you the pocket filler in this example. We'll mark that one complete and move on. Same thing here. We show you the transom adapters and we kind of highlight the area that we're talking about for each section. Like I said before, I'm just going to flip through a couple of these. If there's something you want to pause and take a look at, go ahead and pause the video. Let's jump ahead a little bit here. Okay, if any point you want to jump back to the beginning, this will take you right to the beginning into the overview. You can jump into any section that you want to jump into, but let's get back to my courses and quickly jump into something else here. Let's take a look at Intro to Fabrication. Mark that one complete. So here we're giving you real life examples of issues that project management might run into, and just gives them a frame of reference. As you can see, the number of lessons within these courses, I believe we're totaling about 208 lessons at this point. So there's 208 individual slides. Right now we're hearing feedback of about 15 to possibly almost 20 hours to get through all 10 courses. And so that it basically it's good enough to give you a solid foundation to move forward on. But as the months go by, we'll be including new courses, and we hope you enjoy our material.